Today, I'll talk about the principle of concurrent process and how to become both-handed. First, I'll talk about how concurrent processes work. As an example, I draw a guy who is writing a sentence with A using his right hand and writing also a sentence starting with B using his left hand. When he is writing with his left hand, mainly he is using his eye. I call this process as shallow thinking. On the other hand, when he is writing by his right hand, he is mainly using his mind or his imagination. I call this process as deep thinking. So now, the difference between shallow and deep thinkings are difficult to grasp. But the point is, even when I am writing similar sentences, I am using different parts of brain to perform concurrent processes. What's the shallow thinking? As an example, I draw a cat reading a book. So when he reads the book and understands its contents, he understands by letters, not recreating information in his mind. So when you do shallow thinking, think as efficiently or think as less as possible. But when you do deep thinking, you don't think with letters. As an example, I draw a rabbit sleeping and dreaming. So deep thinking is to think with picture, like you are thinking as in your dream. But why people usually cannot perform concurrent processes? I illustrate what I think why. That is because inside the brain, transmission lines are dependent on each other. So when we try to do multitasks, one transmission line interferes with the others, so we cannot create output. So we need to find out or create independent lines. Finding and creating independent lines are simple. Just do finger exercises. Why don't you use ring and little fingers to find and create independent lines using origami?